morning, Saugus. I'm Cash Overturf. Today is Friday, April 24th.
And I'm Cole Stadler. This is SNN, live from D5.
To start off today's show, let's go to Mrs. Peterson Henry and Saugus A. with this week's principal's message.
Good morning, students. As we begin today, I want to remind everyone of a few important expectations that keep our campus safe, clean, and focused on learning. First, bathroom safety is important. We have added a bathroom sign-in procedure, and many people have thanked us because it is helping keep our bathrooms safer. We are continuing to audit this new policy to make sure that lines don't get too long and that the process works efficiently for everyone. Please continue to use the restrooms appropriately, respect the facilities, and help us maintain a safe and clean environment. Another safety concern is e-bikes. Ride responsibly, follow traffic laws, wear a helmet, and be aware of pedestrians and vehicles at all times. When arriving or leaving school, make choices that protect both yourself and others. Recently in our city, there have been consequences from law enforcement for students who are not following traffic laws or who are operating vehicles without the proper license, registration, and required documentation. Please make sure you understand the rules and are riding legally and responsibly. Third, take pride in our campus by helping keep it clean. Please throw away your trash properly, recycle when possible, and respect our shared spaces. A clean campus creates a better environment for everyone. Finally, remember to serve, honor, and succeed. Serve by helping others and making our campus better each day. Honor by showing respect for yourself, others, and our school, community. Succeed by giving your effort in the classroom, in activities, and in choices you make every day. Let's make today a great day.
Sorry for that. Thanks, Ms. Peterson Henry. For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about Armenian Genocide Remembrance Day.
Armenian Genocide Remembrance Day is a solemn day dedicated to honoring the memory of the 1.5 million Armenians who lost their lives during the Armenian Genocide. It marks the beginning of the events in 1915, when Armenian leaders and intellectuals were arrested, leading to the widespread persecution.
Around the world, people observe the day through memorials, marches, and moments of silence. One of the most well-known places of remembrance is, excuse me if I mispronounce this, the Sitzenackerberg Memorial Complex, where thousands gather each year to pay their respects.
The day is not only about remembering the past, but also about raising awareness and promoting education so that tragedies like this are not repeated. It serves as a reminder of the importance of human rights, compassion, and learning from history. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The Peggy and Jeff Stabile Scholarship is now open. Students that identify with the LGBT+ community and a GPA of 2.5 or higher and plan to pursue higher education next year may apply. Applications are due April 30th, which can be accessed on the Senior Google Classroom or in the counseling office.
Seniors, you can submit photos and videos to this year's Senior Slideshow. Senior Slideshow is a highlight reel of memorable moments you seniors submit at any point throughout your childhood or high school life. You can submit them to the SNN Instagram or email listed below.
SNN will be hosting Senior Week May 12th through the 15th. Senior Week gives non-SNN seniors a chance to anchor on the show with their friends. For those interested, sign up inside the SNN classroom during brunch or lunch with your 3-man anchor crew by the end of next Friday. Now, let's go to Austin Judd with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Cash. Good morning. I'm Austin Judd with today's Saugus Sports Update. Today, baseball will play Golden Valley at 12. Track and field will compete in league prelims today at 2:30. Tonight, boys volleyball will be facing Castaic at 5:30. That's all from me. Now let's go to Megan Arch's chat with another edition of Cooking with Soup.
All you need is cubed beef, carrots, potatoes, onion, garlic, beef broth, a little tomato paste, flour, and some salt and pepper. First, season your beef with salt and pepper, then sear it in a hot pot with oil. You want that deep brown crust. That's where the flavor lives. Next, cook your onions and garlic in the same pot. Stir the tomato paste and a little flour to thicken things up. Add the beef back in. Pour in beef broth, toss in your carrots and potatoes, and let it simmer for about an hour and a half until the beef is super tender.
And that's it, a hearty beef stew, perfect for chilly days. 11 out of 10. This has been Megan Archesachad reporting for SNN.
Holy moly, Megan, that looks great!
The boys' bathroom has still undergone a study in teenage boy incompetence and nincompoopness. Vandalism still plagues these petri dishes, and because of this, the gym, E, and X boys' restrooms are closed until further notice. Only the S boys' restroom is open. There will be a campus supervisor outside the S boy restroom with a Chromebook to scan in with the student's ID.
Seniors, SNN wants to broadcast you and your four-year college, trade school, or military acceptances. When you have all of your acceptance letters, please email proof of your acceptances to Mrs. Hasek at the email listed below, or you can bring them into her. Please state which college or trade school you have committed to. The deadline to submit your acceptances is Friday, April 24th. That's all for today. I'm Cash Overturf. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Cole Stadler. Have a great day, a great weekend, and SNN will be back Tuesday.